Hey guys, today we have a PS5 Slim, that's a disc edition. The HDMI is pretty damaged, but the console turns on. So come with us to repair it. After taking all the screws on this cover and after lifting it up, now we gotta deal with all of these screws right here so we can get the board out. So after removing all of these screws, now we get to lift this up. And guess what? We got more screws. Alright, now we just go to the soldering workstation where the real work begins. After cleaning all the pads, added some flux to apply the new HDMI port. Now we're testing the console. And